ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియోస్ మరికొంతమందికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. In this video, we will learn about tens and ones. Here, identify the numbers in the tens and ones places and write the numbers in the given space. In first one is in tens place 4 is there. In ones place 3 is there. How many tens are there? 4. Here how many tens are there? 3. 4 tens 40 plus 3 43. Right, 43 here. Second one is how many tens are there in second column? 1. How many ones are there? 6. 1 tens 10 plus 6 16. Right, 16 in second column. Third one, how many tens are there in this column? 2. And 9s and 9 ones are there in this column. 2 tens 20 and 9 ones 9 29. Right, 29 here. In fourth column, how many tens are there here? 0 only. How many ones are there? 5. 0 10 0 plus 5. Right, 5 here. 0 5 or 5. Next, fifth one is 3 0. Here 3 is there in tens column and 0 is there in ones columm. How many tens are there in tens column? 3. How many ones are there in ones column? 0. 3 tens 30 plus 0. Right, 30 here. Now 2 tens are there in tens column and 8 ones are there in ones column. 2 tens 20 plus 8 28. Here 4 tens are there in tens column, 2 ones are there in ones column. 4 tens 40 and 2 ones 2. How many tens are there here? 4. Here how many ones are there? 2. 4 tens 40 plus 2 42. Right, 42 here. Next one is 1 tens are there in tens column, 1 ones are there in ones column. How many tens are there in tens column? 1. How many ones are there in ones column? 1. 1 tens 10 plus 1 11. Now here how many tens are there in tens column? 3. How many ones are there in ones column? 4. 3 tens 30 plus 4 34. Right, 34 here. Once again I repeat, in tens column 4 is there, in ones column 3 is there. How many tens are there in tens column? 4. How many ones are there in ones column? 3. 4 tens 40 plus 3 43. In tens place 1 is there, in ones place 6 is there. 1 tens 10 plus 6 16. In tens place 2 is there, ones place 9 is there. 2 tens 20 plus 9 29. Right, 29 here. Here in tens place 0 is there, in ones place 5 is there. 0 tens 0, 5 ones 5. Right, 5 here. 3 tens 30, 0 1 0. 30 plus 0 30. Here 2 tens are there, 8 ones are there. How many tens are there here? 2. How many ones are there in ones column? 8. 2 tens 20 plus 8 28. Here 4 tens are there in tens column, 2 ones are there in ones column. 4 tens 40 plus 2 42. 1 tens are there in tens column, 1 ones are there in ones column. 1 tens 10 plus 1 11. 3 tens are there in tens column, 4 ones are there in ones column. 3 tens are there in tens column, 4 ones are there in ones column. 30 plus 4 34. These are the tens and ones topic. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.